Hey, yo, this is Alex with Everclean Power Wash. I just want to show you a quick video on a hydraulic oil stain removal. The good news was the homeowner's been keeping up with his acrylic sealant. It's really doing a great job protecting the driveway so the oil did not embed really deeply. Just had to make sure that my degreaser did not react with that sealant. We did a test spot. That little result turned out very good. So I went through and did the whole area. It was quite a large area. The roofing company was out there putting up the roof. The lift hydraulic line busted. Just poured oil everywhere. So the roofing guys who hired me, he's very happy. His customer's really happy. They actually hired me to do some more work in the back patio. But anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. Results turned out really great. This is out here in Franklin, Tennessee. Thanks.